Hey you guys, today our topic is how to get self-help insurance in USA 2022. So we have some these articles. So we read these articles and when can I apply for health insurance 2022? You can buy health insurance for your and your family can fail during open enrollment. Sign up during the open enrollment period. Begin the November 1, 2021 and end on January 15, 2022. For the most states, if you enroll in a health plan December 15, 2021, your coverage will be started on January 1, 2022. What is the income? What is the income limit for Marketplace Insurance 2022? For ACA plan partnership participant book income in between 10% and 22 sorry it's become between 100% and 200% of the federal poverty level, between $12,880 and $25,760 in 2021. The maximum they will be to pay out of pocket in will be 20 to $2,900 for individual coverage and 5,500 200 500 coverage more than a 1%. So how can a foreigner get health insurance in the USA? Individuals with non-immigrant status like worker visa visas are eligible to purchase health insurance for non-US citizens through the marketplace. The alien number, also called alien registration number, for USCCIC number, or the nine or the one or the 194 number, can be used as a supporting documentation while applying for marketplace plan. How can I get health insurance USA without job? If you are unemployed, you may be able to get affordable health insurance plan through marketplace with saving based saving based on your income household size. You may also qualify for free or low cost coverage through Medicaid or the Children's Health Insurance Program CHIP. When can I when can I enroll? Obama, Obamacare 2020. Open enrollment for 2020. ACA health coverage started nationwide on this November 1 in most states. It will end on January 15, 2020. Open enrollment for 2020 ACA health insurance run for from November 1, 2021 to January 15 in most states 2022. What do what do what do I do if I don't have health insurance? Without health insurance coverage, a serious accident or health issue that result emergency care and or an expensive treatment plan can result in poor credit or even a bankruptcy. So hope you know what I say. If you know that, please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.